Hey guys, this was a really busy week this week with freebies, so let's get right into it. The first one I got was 17 magazine. Next thing I got in the mail was the Shape magazine, and next these are really cool. These are little promise cards, just because I said I would, and you could basically write a promise on here that you keep, and then give the card to somebody. So basically, it looks like this, and then just blank in the back. So that's really cool. Next thing I got, it came in this box here, and it came, drop it, it comes like this, and these are from Armani, right there. This one, and two, and these are little perfume samples. As you can see there, these are the vials, which I actually prefer better than the swatches because you get a lot more out of them. So they look like that. Then the last thing I got in the mail was from Marlboro, and it's from Zippo, and it's this awesome lighter, as you can see here, and in chrome. And that's it, guys. That's everything I got in the mail. Bye.